Hey, top analyze math and history, and we're gonna do some trial and error with trinomials, part 2. So, in the last video, we have been trying to factor out trinomials with trial and error. So let's try and factor out these equations or expressions and find out what two binomials could be multiplied to get this. So, in the last video, what we guessed is since we have 6x squared, why can't we do 6x parentheses x as another parentheses, and we have subtract that, and we also have subtract that. But wait, one of them, to get -3, has to be a positive, because a positive and a negative is a negative. So we're going to use trial and error, and we're going to turn this into a positive sign. So, what two numbers can be put into here? Well, when we have -3, let's say it's a positive 3. So, the factors of 3 is just 1 and 3. But the factors of -3 is 1 and -3 or -1 and 3. So what we're going to be doing is, I'm going to say we put 1 here and put -3 right there. So let's start distributing and multiplying. So 6x multiplied by x is 6x squared. 6x multiplied by -3 is -18x. 1 times x is 1x. And 1 times -3 is -3. So we have 6x squared minus 17x minus 3. But we do have this one solved, but not the same exact expression that we're looking for. So this is gonna fail. Let's try that again. So, we had 6x squared minus by 7x minus by 3. Let's try the theory again, where instead of having a positive 1 and a -3, why can't we switch the two? So, we have 6x in parentheses plus 3 and x minus that by 1. Let's see if that works. If there's any suggestions to try and find the two binomials for this, then type in the comments below what you think would be a good idea to try. So, going back to our problem, 6x multiplied by x is 6x squared. 6x multiplied by -1 is -6x. 3 multiplied by x is just positive 3x. And 3 multiplied by -1 is -3. So, we now have a simplified version, or an expression, as 6x squared minus that by 3x minus 3. We're getting closer, but not quite. Let's keep moving forward.
A few minutes later, a little longer than a few minutes later, 2 hours later, 3 days later.
This trial and error takes up a lot of time because doing this actually makes it feel like a long time. Sometimes it will take like 10 or 15 tries to get the two binomials. But going back to the original problem, 6x squared minus that by 7x minus that by 3, maybe we have to change things up a bit. That 6x squared is something we might want to watch out for because the number 6 has many common factors. Here's an example. Here's 1, here's 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. So instead of just saying 6x and x, why can't we say 3x and 2x. Why can't we change it up a bit? Well, let's see what happens. So, since we have 3x and 2x, we're going to do 3x in parentheses, positive 1, and 2x minus that by 3. And we'll put those in parentheses. We have the positive 1 and the negative 3 to get to a negative 3. What do you think we'll get? So, 3x times 2x is going to be 6x squared. 3x times negative 3 is going to be negative 6x. Actually, negative 9x. That was a mistake. 3x times negative 3 is negative 9x. 1 times 2x is going to be a positive 2x. And 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. When we do that, we will be able to get a standard form for this expression, 6x squared minus 7x minus 3. Mission accomplished. We have found the two binomials that will get to this expression when, instead of just focusing on C, you probably want to focus on A or your x squared. If we refer it to ax squared plus bx plus c. So, standard trinomial form. That is what this is going to look like. The same kind of form. So, 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3 is our two binomials that can be factored into this. So, mission accomplished. So that is how we use trial and error to find the two binomials. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching Tyler Life's Math Mystery. Like and subscribe.